Number 5. Fluke 117 and 323 Kit Multimeter. If you want a reliable and efficient tool for troubleshooting, the Fluke 117 and 323 Kit Multimeter is the perfect combo for you. The Fluke 117 multimeter, included in this kit, delivers accurate measurements on both AC and DC voltage as well as amps, making it a versatile tool for electricians. The true RMS feature ensures precise readings on nonlinear loads, while the low input impedance prevents false readings caused by ghost voltage. On the other hand, the Fluke 323 clamp meter measures AC and DC voltage, as well as AC amps, with true RMS capabilities for accurate measurements on nonlinear signals. The compact design and durable soft carrying case make it easy to transport and protect the meters while on the go. What truly sets this kit apart is the seamless integration of both meters, providing a comprehensive solution for all your electrical testing needs. The ability to measure both AC and DC voltage and current with precision makes troubleshooting a breeze. Though some users may find the price point a bit high, the quality and accuracy of the Fluke 117 and 323 Kit Multimeter more than justify the investment. For professionals who value accuracy and efficiency in their work, this kit is a game changer. Check it out for yourself and see the difference it can make in your electrical work.